Alright y'all, it's David Conrad Bach back for another video of the GT Box GT Sports. We are here at Uptown Alley in Surprise, Arizona, where we're gonna do some bowling. Let's do it. There's the sign, and you got the bowling pin with the neon lights on it. You got huge arcade. You got like racing games that you gotta connect for. A ski ball, you can shoot hoops. And then you also got the, you got Fruit Ninja. There's a hockey table right here as well. Oh, and Hungry Hippos. There's the ski ball down there. And there's also laser tag too. Alright y'all, I'm up. Okay. Oh my god. That was bad. That was probably the better one. From GT Bach, a piece of advice. You should balance speed with accuracy. That is true with many sports. Alright y'all, I'm up! That was just straight out. Alright y'all, so I just ordered lunch from the Red Embers Bar and Grill at Uptown Alley. I got tea, like the unsweet black tea with lemon. You also got a side of fries that you got as well. And when I do the taste test, it's actually not too salty, not too greasy. It's just right. So kudos to the Red Embers Grill. Now for some more fun in bowling. Yep. Probably not what I wanted to do, but at least I got a high amount of pins. All but one pin. That would have been impressive.
Do it. Get it, get it, get it.
Oh!
It's going.
Oh! Just the one! Oh yeah, that was just the one pin that I was missing. Otherwise, that would have been a spare. Oh my gosh, that was probably one of the best rounds I've had. Anyway, more to come. We up. Yeah. All right, you going? No, I just got that one pin by the very tip of it, and then I ended up getting the rest, that one pin. That was a very, very interesting shot, ladies and gentlemen. Roads, one of the very unique areas of the Uptown Alley. They have a private bar, private rooms available for parties, and they also have their own set of bowling lanes as well. Exclusive to Uptown Alley. Well, y'all, that's going to do it for today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. If you want me to do more sports videos like this and advertising more places, please let me know. Peace out.